Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be the next part of my previous video, which is part 2. And as I promised कि मैं दूसरा part भी करूँगी अगर मुझे questions बहुत interesting लगे तो आज के questions और भी बढ़िया. I won't let you wait for too long, so let's get started.
Nice.
Yeah, so the first question is, what is your biggest regret? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आई विश आई हैड एन्जॉयड माई फॉर्मर ईयर्स व्हेन यू आर लाइक लिटरली 18-19. बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं जो सिर्फ एक एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है तुम्हारी लाइफ में. यू गेट इट?
Nice.
लाइक तुमको सिर्फ समझ आ रही होती है. यू जस्ट डू दोज थिंग्स without knowing the repercussions. You just do them for the sake of doing it because you're just a kid, you're just a teenager. Back in time I was also a teenager. I did not know the repercussions of things that I was doing at of time. So yeah, but बाद में मैंने ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा कर दिया चीज़ों को. like टू थिंक वाज कि मेरे साथ कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बात होगी, जो कि एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं था. एंड ये चीज़ बिलीव करने की वजह से मैंने क्या किया, मैंने अपना बहुत सा टाइम वेस्ट कर दिया ऐसी चीज़ों को ठीक करने में, और ऐसे लोगों पे एक्चुअली who were never a part of my life, and they actually didn't want to be a part of my life, but I just wanted to keep everybody and everything together. So if you are somebody who's trying to do that, because see, अगर तुमने ये सुनी होगी चीज़, if somebody wants to stay, something wants to stay, it will. At that point of life, I was not in my hometown, okay? I was out somewhere, and मैं चंडीगढ़ में उस टाइम पे पढ़ती थी. मैं नई अपने होम टाउन से बाहर निकली थी. फर्स्ट टाइम आई वॉज इन अ हॉस्टल एंड आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू कोप अप विद दैट. मैं होम सिक रहती थी, मुझे अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे थे इंस्टीट्यूट में, मुझे पता नहीं लग रहा था कि मुझे पढ़ाई कैसे करनी है, क्योंकि मैंने पिछला 1 साल बहुत ही गंदे तरीके से वेस्ट किया था. मेरे दिमाग में बहुत लोड था चीज़ों का. उसके साथ में मैं ऐसी फालतू चीज़ों पे अपना टाइम बर्बाद कर रही थी जिनका कोई फ्यूचर नहीं था. यू गेट इट? सो लाइक मैंने अपने फॉर्मर ईयर्स उन सब चीज़ों में बहुत बुरे हाल से वेस्ट किए हैं. एंड मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड रहती थी उन चीज़ों को लेके. मुझे ऐसा लगता था, ओ अगर मैंने ऐसा कर दिया तो व्हाट विल दिस पर्सन थिंक, ओ अगर मैंने ये कर दिया तो मे बी अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगी तो यू नो दैट पीपल प्लीजिंग. सो I think we all go through that phase, and I have been there, done that. Not a good thing. Won't suggest it. So yeah, that's one of the biggest regrets that I have. I wish I could go back into the time and fix all the things. I would rather just delete few people and slap myself for doing the things that I did to myself. Whom do you hate? I hate nobody. See, I'm the kind of person, I never hold grudges. So if somebody from my past approaches me and says that, you know, I am sorry for the things that I have done to you, I will forgive them. मुझे ऐसा, मैं किसी को hate नहीं करती. Yeah, I might dislike you, but I will never hate you, because hate is a very big word and I do not associate with negativity. So yeah, you'll never find me hating on anybody. Never. I've heard that you have been single from quite a long time. Is that true? Yes, that's very true. ये मुझसे किसी ने एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसको भी साथ में रीड कर लेते हैं because दोनों का आंसर सेम ही होने वाला है. So let's just get into it. When is the last time that you dated? Can you let us know about your last relationship? When was it? Why did it end? Who was the guy? Oh my god, like seriously guys, you want to know everything. I can really get into the details of everything, but I'll let you know upar se superficially. So yeah, it's been a very long time since I have dated. Just comes down to one reason only, and that is I understood that I do not want to be with anybody. I was so fed up of people that I just wanted me time. Like, I wanted to be with me. I wanted to know myself more so that I could understand what do I need. My last relationship was back in 2019. I cannot really disclose the guy's name, but I'll just let you know. This dude that I dated back in 2018, उसके नाम का मैं तुमको पहला लेटर बता देती हूँ. एस से नाम था उसका. एंड मैंने उसको 2018 में ही डेट किया था. येस. एंड वी डेटेड फॉर लाइक फ्यू मंथ्स एंड देन वी ब्रोक अप. एंड इट वॉज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट हैपेंड टू मी, क्योंकि उसके बाद मुझे बहुत सी चीज़ें समझ आई. सो दिस गाय वॉज माई सीनियर इन स्कूल, और स्कूल के टाइम पे मुझे उसके बारे में ज़्यादा पता नहीं था. बट बाद में आई स्टार्टेड डेटिंग हिम व्हेन आई वाज इन 12th, and he was out somewhere, like he was studying out somewhere out of the country. So yeah, the reason why we broke up, it's because we were not really compatible. Okay, we were not really compatible. I did not feel that I loved him. Okay, it's just that I enjoyed his company. We used to talk over phone calls, and that's all. That's not love. A 17-year-old kid does not know how to love. A 17-year-old does not understand the definition of love, and I was very naive. I did not know what love is all about, so I never felt that I was in love. That I realized in later years of my life कि वो जो equation था, that was never love. You cannot call it love. So I was not in love with this guy, but just कुछ महीने हम साथ में थे, and उसके बाद we broke up. कुछ तो हुआ था. I do not want to get into details of that. मेरे को नहीं बताना है किसकी गलती थी, क्या था, जो भी था. इट इज़ ऑल इन द पास्ट. आई थिंक दैट्स ऑल यू नीड टू नो. उससे ज़्यादा मैं तुमको नहीं बता सकती. दैट्स इट. डू यू बिलीव इन सेकेंड चांसेस? अगैन आई थिंक आई डू बिलीव इन सेकेंड चांसेस, बट सी मुझे ऐसा लगता है किसी भी ऐसी चीज़ को या किसी इंसान को जिसको तुम सेकेंड चांस देने जा रहे हो, वो उस चीज़ के लायक होना चाहिए. यू शुड ऑलवेज नो कि क्या ये चीज़ या फिर ये इंसान उस चीज़ के या उस अपॉर्चुनिटी के लायक है. यू शुड do not waste your time just for the sake of giving somebody a second chance. Do not waste your time क्योंकि तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि ये इंसान सुधर सकता है, या फिर do not waste your time क्योंकि तुमको ऐसा लगता है कि अगर तुम इस चीज़ को फिर से करोगे तो वो सही हो जाएगी. कई बार किसी चीज़ को करने के लिए सिर्फ एक ही बार काफ़ी होती है. अगर एक बार में वो नहीं हो रही है चीज़, तो जस्ट लेट इट गो, मूव ऑन, आगे बढ़ो, छोड़ो, जाने दो. बहुत से लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको दूसरी बार तो तुमको मुड़ के देखना भी नहीं चाहिए, फिर भी अगर तुम्हारा बड़प्पन है, तुम कर देते हो चीज़ें और तुमको उतना आउटपुट नहीं मिल रहा है, तो जस्ट लीव इट. देन डू नॉट बिलीव इन सेकेंड चांसेस. मेरा सिंपल फंडा है. ये भी मुझे ओवर द ईयर्स ही समझ आया है. अपना इतना टाइम इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना होता है. ओपन पे मत छोड़ा कर प्लीज़. ओके, मैंने कल ही बोला था. आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. मैं कर देती हूँ ऐसी चीज़ें, पर आई डू नॉट रियली मीन इट. सो या, आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. आई रियली थिंक दैट यू कैन इन्फ्लुएंस अ लॉट बेटर देन you are right now. Yes, I think that too. I request you to be more consistent. Also, please never stop making content around skincare. I think you can really educate people about it. Oh my god, you're such a sweetheart. Thank you so much for the compliment. Also, I like the way you talk. Whosoever you are, God bless you. Thank you so much. And yeah, about the part where you said that I should be more consistent, I really needed that because I'm very lazy. I'm very lazy. I do accept it. I do not usually do things that are required to be done on that same day. I just procrastinate a lot. I do not want to do that anymore. I'm just trying and I'm learning. So yeah, you might not find me procrastinating anymore. I've known you since you were literally a child. Look how far you've come, Sheful. I heard you vanished for a year or so back in 2019, but you came back stronger. I just love your spirit and the way you are. Thank you so much. यू नो वाइल आई वॉज गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द क्वेश्चंस आई सी बहुत ही कम सेक्शन था ऐसा जहाँ पे लोगों ने बहुत ही घटिया क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे। घटिया एज इन ऐसे भी घटिया नहीं कि जिनका कोई सिर पैर नहीं होता वैसे क्वेश्चंस। मोस्टली जो मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे इस बार वर क्वाइट गुड एंड आई वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड एंड I really love the fact that people want to know about me, like, and they remember the things that I do, like, you know, small gestures, कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें मेरी या फिर कुछ silly चीज़ें, people remember them. वो उन questions में लोग ना mention कर रहे थे and I loved it so much कि मुझे लोग इतना देखना पसंद करते हैं. So many of you have written that you love listening to me yapping and I feel so good because if that's what you love, I'm just ready to yap all the time because I love it. I love talking to people. There are so many people who approach me for advices, you know, for relationship advices, even though I'm not the right person to approach because I have not been in a relationship from such a long time, but I just love it. I just love giving out opinions and, you know, helping out people, giving them advices. That's how I am. I'm just so cool. I know that. But this guy, yo, okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna do better in my life. I know. For some reason, जब मैं छोटी थी तब से मुझे पता था मैं कुछ बहुत अच्छा करूँगी. सबको ही होता है. आई थिंक इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर कॉन्फिडेंस जो तुम्हारे अंदर होता है. तुमको एक विश्वास होता है अपने ऊपर कि मैं कुछ अच्छा करूँगा, कुछ अच्छा बनूँगा, इस तरह से. तो मुझे भी है. आज नहीं तो कल वो पूरा हो जाएगा. यू जस्ट नीड टू स्टे ट्यून्ड. Have you ever been in love? No, I have never been in love. And I feel so sad about it because I really wanted to experience that, you know, crazy teenage love. I never actually got to experience it because I already told you that जब मैंने last time when I dated, I was just 17 or 18, okay? So उस टाइम पे तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था प्यार क्या होता है. Now that I have grown up, oh my God! Wow! I've become an adult. I know how things actually work. I don't really think that I want to invest my time in finding a right partner because I personally believe that it happens, it just occurs to you. It just happens very naturally. You do not have to fix a schedule for that. Like, you do not have to schedule that कि आज वो random दिन है जब मैं बाहर निकलूँगी और I'll prey on people and, you know, I'll hunt down a person and then I'll say कि I am into you. That's not gonna happen. That's not how it works. So I think it happens very naturally. मेरे साथ अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. Maybe I just find that crazy love one day. I'm sure I am gonna find it because I'm one hell of a crazy soul. I'm very romantic, and I think I can love in a way that is very beautiful. So like whenever it happens, it's gonna be just so amazing. I just know it. Are you studying in Shimla? Yes, I am currently pursuing my master's. You have natural glow on your face. How is that possible? Okay, so my skincare journey is like really scary.
Nice.
Because I always had this obsession with shiny and glowy face. So you do not know the amount of shitty products that I have slapped on my face in order to just get that glowy skin. And that really messed up the skin barrier. And in later years, I realized that I have put my skin through thick and thin, and now it's time to actually, you know, come down to a very basic and very subtle skincare routine. So that's what I'm doing currently. It's been 3 years. I have been doing proper skincare routine from last 3 years, and I have not skipped one day. That's why I have this skin. Although my skin is really sensitive, the people who always ask me, why do I have this redness? Is this blush? No, first thing, I have oily skin. And second, I have these naturally. My cheeks are red all the time, very naturally. My skin is really sensitive, like really, really sensitive. I remember a friend of mine, his name is Dugu, he told me that, there's this random ass dude, he told him that Sheffield had a hickey on her neck.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, it isn't. It's just that my skin is really sensitive. You just do this और वो लाल हो जाती है. You see this? तुम ऐसे रखोगे थोड़ी देर उंगली, ये लाल हो जाती है. तुम ऐसे करोगे, लाल हो जाती है. मेरी स्किन इतनी सेंसिटिव है. So for the people who want to, you can see that. So for the people who really want skin like me, know that दूर से चीज़ें जैसी लगती हैं वैसे नहीं होती हैं. I have very sensitive skin. तुम ऐसे भी करोगे मेरी स्किन लाल हो जाती है. ठीक. I think ये पार्ट भी बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाएगा, so I'll stop it here only and I'll keep rest of the questions for the next video. So part 3 is also coming if that's what you like. Okay. Don't forget to hit that bell icon and प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. तुमको खुली छूट है, तुम कमेंट कर सकते हो, मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो. आई एम गोना रिप्लाई टू ऑल योर कमेंट्स. सो येस, प्लीज़ डू कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियो. आई विल बी बैक विथ थर्ड पार्ट वेरी सून. टिल देन, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, लव यू.